Hey guys, I'm here to do another quick DVD update for tonight. I went to Walmart earlier with my mom, and I picked up a few DVDs, two of which I got to replace. Oh, sorry, I was just light of the camera. I thought my finger was bleeding. But anyway, two DVDs I got to replace, one that wasn't working, and another one I got to replace one my sister had stepped on and broke. So let's get those out. God, I had the CD thing on my computer open and it scraped my leg. So here we go. The first one I got is Just Go With It. It's actually to replace the one my sister stepped on and broke. I can't show it to you because it's still in shrink wrap, but I like this movie, it's good. This next one I got, 30 Minutes or Less. I had no idea Nick Swardson was in it, from the Benchwarmers. Here's the back. I'm fixing to put this movie in and watch it. Here's the disc. And then it just comes with like a digital code thing. And then this next one I got, it has a story, kind of a story with it. The Goonies. I wasn't planning on buying this one until my mom and I got out to the car. And she was putting the groceries in the car. And she saw the DVD in the cart. And she asked me if I was planning on buying it. And I said no. And, well, before you start thinking things, I said I meant to put it back, and we're surprised the thing didn't go off. I forgot to put it back by accident, and I thought I'd put it away, I swear, but we got in the car, and I was so afraid to take it back in, because I was afraid they would look at me as a thief, and I wouldn't steal for anything. So my mom finally, finally calmly told me to take it back in, because I just said, drop off, because I was so afraid that they were going to, because I was so afraid that they were going to ban me from Walmart forever, or look at me as a thief, or, whatever, and she finally calmly, talked me into, like, her taking it back inside, and I finally ended up buying it. But anyway, here's the back. Kind of a nice story, I think. Here's the disc. And just a digital code thing. So yeah, that's what I got today. Thanks for watching.